All affected families of Ganjam, Gajpati and Gunapur subdivision of Raigada will be given relief for 15 days. On an average, a family of 4 members will be assisted with more than 3,000 rupees of relief, as relief. This is at the rate of rupees 60 per adult and rupees 45 per child per day. If the opposition wants to criticize, they can do so. We are busy with relief and rehabilitation work.